Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the best place for investor, content creator, and entrepreneurs. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you how to create a quick and amazing thumbnails for your YouTube videos in just 2 simple steps. The first step is to create a transparent background of your picture. I'm going to use this app called Bizart, and this app is free for the first 7 days. You can buy the pro version if you want, but I personally like to save money by taking a bunch of pictures and using different expression and save those transparent background picture for my future video thumbnails. So this app works for Android OS and iOS. I personally in this video will use an iPad because it's bigger, it's easy for me to edit, but you can use your phone as well. So go ahead and open up the app. And it's so easy to use this app, guys. Just click on the plus button, and as you can see, I took a bunch of pictures and use that for later, but I'm gonna go ahead and create this one. I'm going to crop it a little bit, finalize, make it center it a little bit, and here we go, the magic button right here in the middle, and it takes a few seconds, and then bam, here we go. Save the image, and there you have it right there, transparent background picture. And I used to use different apps to trace it and cut out the background, and it would take me forever. If I just save you a bunch of time and energy, drop a like on this video. Halfway done, second step, and it is to create the thumbnail and make it pop. That way more people can click on your video or stand out from other people. So open up this app called Over. It is free, but there's a paid version as well. I personally like to have more features, so I got the paid version. But click on the plus icon, click on the transparent template, scroll to the right and find YouTube icon, and it says YouTube thumbnail. It's pretty cool. It's already set up for the exact dimension that is required by YouTube for custom thumbnail. Check. Next is open up that image that we just created earlier. Tap on it. Bam, there it is. I like to put it to the right side, and I usually don't put any text here because usually there's like a time. Now we got to add the background. That's what makes your thumbnail pop. Go to graphic, search gradient. Let's just use this one. I want to move the background to the back of my image so it looks like something like this. Alright, so that's already cool. Next is to create the border around the image. To do that, you can tap on this picture and the option edit will show up. Click on edit, go to shadow, angle, and pick color. You can choose different color, but I'm just gonna use white and make the opacity to 100%. I'm gonna move the angle a little bit right there, and you can also make it blur, guys, by just going like this and move the angle. Your picture will stand out. And this one, I don't like the blur. I'm just gonna use the background like this, so it has nice outline around my picture. And I'm going to create a couple more just to make it look different. Duplicate, another duplicate. Bam, more views, more pictures. Next is just to edit text. So click on the text icon and choose. I personally like to use 2 different fonts. I'm going to make it big like this. I'm going to send this to the back of my picture, position like this, and then another text. There's plenty of fonts here, so you can choose whatever you like. Here we go. And I like to add some icon I'm gonna go to graphic, search, I'm going to use this one, and then I'm gonna add a few emojis. Use this one and the fire. Where's the fire? Boom, right there. And I'm gonna add another. I'm going to search for YouTube icon, so I just type in YouTube, and this is a Google search, and it's automatically look for the picture that has a transparent background. Search. I'm gonna tap on the first one, resize it a little bit, put it in the top right corner. I'm gonna add some shadow, make it like a 3D or pop a little bit. To save it, just click here, top right, boom, boom, there you go. That's it. So easy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for awesome tips and video like this one, and check out my other videos here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and be safe.